Hi everyone, want to create a stunning AI generated art but don't have drawing skills? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to generate a high quality images using the StarryAI. No artistic experience needed. So let's get started. First, visit the starryai.com or you can download it in your iOS or Android devices. Then here you can create a free account or log in. Then to start a new creation, tap Create or the Create Plus icon. Then you'll be asked to enter a prompt. Just this is a simple description of what you want the AI to create. This is the example prompt here. Then you can choose the style and settings. Select an art style like anime, fantasy, or realism. And also you can set a canvas size, runtime, and even select a model, depending on your plan. You can also add a keyword or base image or adjust the guidance level for more control. And then to generate your artwork, you can hit the create and wait a few moments. And the Siri AI will now turn your prompt into a beautiful image. Tap download and share it. And that's it. You can use a detailed prompts for a better result and explore, evolve to tweak your favorite creation further. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching.